Hello everyone. Today I would like to continue with chapter 3 Consumer Mathematics Insurance. Alright, so the coverage period. The coverage period for most of the general insurance policies is 1 year or less than a year. The premiums are paid once only. The premiums are paid once only when you need the coverage of the policy. Alright, so let's discuss the group insurance. The group insurance. Group insurance provides coverage to a group of individuals, typically employees in a company or pupils in schools, and students in educational institutions. Alright? Group insurance for organization. Financial protection is provided to employees of an organization in the events of death, disability, hospitalization, and surgery under a certain policy and coverage limit. With this insurance, the employees of the company will enjoy proper protection from their employer. This is so-called group insurance for organization. Group insurance for pupils. Financial protection is provided to pupils in the event of death, paralysis, or disability. Wheelchair allowance under certain policy and coverage limit. For example, Ministry of Education Malaysia has implemented a protection scheme for pupils of government schools and government-aided schools. Alright, for government school, pupils from government school and government-aided schools under the Takaful Pelajar Sekolah Malaysia TPSM scheme. Generally, the reason you should get an insurance are as follows. As a financial aid to the family in the occurrence of disability, critical illness, or death. Managing living expenses, debts, commitments in the event that you are unable to work. Paying for high medical expenses. And finally, as compensation for losses incurred. Now let's discuss skill practice 3.1a, right? Okay, based on the situation below, answer the following question. Let's study the case. Inje Daud buys an insurance policy to cover himself in case of an accident from Syarikat Insurans Bersatu for 300,000 with a monthly payment of 100. Who is the insurance company and the policy holder? Alright, so do you know the answer? How much is the coverage limit and how much is the monthly premium and state the risk to be insured. So, can you please try the question first before we discuss? Again, I read the question. Inche Daud buys an insurance policy to cover himself in case of an accident from Sharikat Insurance Bersatu for 300,000 with a monthly payment of 100. Okay, so let's discuss the answer. This is the answer. Can you see that? The insurance company is Sharikat Insurance Bersatu. It's very easy, right? Okay, I am sure you are right. The policy holder is Inche Daud. Inche Daud. And then, okay, the B is the limit, right? It's 300,000. It's 300,000 and the premium is 100. And the D is a personal accident. Okay, personal accident. So I'm sure you got no problem. Alright, okay, so we have discussed number 1. Company, you must know coverage limit, premium, and the personal accident. And number 2, another question is, one day Melissa's car collided with another car in an accident and she was at fault. Both cars were badly damaged and the other driver suffered a broken leg. Melissa wants to file a claim for the damage for both cars as well as the medical expenses for the driver of the other car. Based on the scenario above, state the claim that Melissa can make from her insurance company if she insures her car under the third-party policy. Okay, do you understand the question? So make sure you really understand the question before you answer. For question number 2, again I read. One day, Melissa's car collided with another car in an accident and she was at fault. Both cars were badly injured and the other driver suffered a broken leg. Melissa wants to file a claim for the damage for both cars as well as the medical expenses for the driver of the other car. Alright, so based on the scenario above, state the claim that Melissa can make from her insurance company if she insures her car under the third-party policy. Okay, so let's do is the cause of the injury treatment, loss and car damage incurred by the third party only. Okay, so cause of injury of treatment is also covered by the insurance. Okay, because the driver broken the leg, right? So the injury treatment is quite expensive, and also the car damage can be incurred, okay, by the third party. That means the person don't have to bear the expenses for repairing the car. The insurance company will help to repair the car. Alright, so this is quite interesting, right? Okay, so that's all for today's class. We will start another lesson after this. Bye bye and have a nice day.